Water filtration is a vital process across industries, but choosing the right filter type can be a major challenge. Cartridge filters, while common, often require frequent replacements that are just days or weeks apart. This generates an alarming amount of waste, as the constant disposal of used cartridges contributes significantly to landfill buildups and environmental degradation, making it a serious concern for sustainability-focused operations. This constant cycle of maintenance and disposal can strain both budgets and eco-friendly goals. Woven wire mesh filters offer a long-lasting, energy-sufficient alternative. With lifespans that stretch across years, especially when constructed using high alloys, wire mesh filters reduce the need for frequent replacements and minimize the energy consumption of cleaning devices in self-cleaning systems. Their robust design, consistent pore sizes, and the ability to be fabricated into complex parts make them ideal for demanding filtration environments, even in challenging conditions such as salty water. Wire mesh filters are constructed out of woven metal wires that form precise, porous openings. This design allows for consistent filtration while maintaining high flow rates. The open area and mesh count can be customized to suit specific filtration needs, making them a versatile option for various water filtration applications. Cartridge filters, on the other hand, are typically made from pleated or wound materials such as polypropylene or cellulose. These filters trap contaminants within their media and are often used in applications requiring fine filtration. While effective, they tend to have lower flow rates, clog quicker, and require more frequent replacements compared to woven wire mesh. The primary difference between woven wire mesh and cartridge filters lies in their structure and how they capture particles. Wire mesh filters rely on surface filtration, meaning particles are trapped on the surface of the mesh. Cartridge filters use depth filtration, capturing particles throughout the media. This impacts not only performance but also maintenance and longevity. Wire mesh filters are ideal for operations that require durability, reusability, and high throughput. Cartridge filters are better suited for applications needing finer filtration and where disposable solutions are preferred. Cartridge filters are often favored for their ability to capture extremely fine particles, sometimes down to the sub-micron levels. This makes them ideal for applications where ultra-clean water is essential. Wire mesh filters, while not typically used for ultra-fine filtration, offer consistent and reliable performance for larger particulate removal, especially when precision mesh specifications are used. Wire mesh filters generally allow for higher flow rates due to their open structure and lower resistance to fluid flow. This can be a significant advantage in high-volume operations. And cartridge filters, with their dense media, tend to create more pressure drop, which can reduce flow efficiency and increase energy consumption. So one of the standout features of woven wire mesh is its durability. Made from stainless steel or other robust alloys, they can withstand harsh conditions and repeated cleaning cycles without degrading. Cartridge filters, being made from softer materials, are typically single-use and must be replaced once clogged, which can add to operational costs. In applications where particle size is predictable and consistent, wire mesh filters provide excellent performance with minimal maintenance. Our wire mesh solutions are capable of achieving a nominal filter fineness of 1 micron and absolute filter finenesses of 5 micron, making them suitable for more demanding filtration needs. Also, market feedback also indicates that cartridge filters rated at 10 micron often exhibit similar particle retention to woven wire mesh at 20 micron, which is due to the mechanical nature of woven wire mesh filtration. Ultimately, the best filtration depends on the operational goals and the nature of the water being treated. Wire mesh filters are designed for reusability, making them easy to clean and maintain. So depending on the application, they can be cleaned using methods such as backwashing or automatic self-cleaning filters. In fact, real-world examples have shown that in large-scale operations, switching to automatic filtration systems can lead to a total cost savings of greater than 70% compared to conventional cartridge filters. They also have the potential to be coated to help further reduce biofouling and to extend their filter life. This ability to restore performance without replacement makes them a cost-effective option over time. Cartridge filters, in contrast, are typically single-use. Once they become clogged or reach the end of their service life, they must be replaced entirely. While this simplifies maintenance in some cases, it also leads to recurring costs and downtime expenses, especially in operations that rely on long use cycles and process stability. These operations can significantly impact productivity and overall operational efficiency. Because woven wire mesh filters can be cleaned and reused, they often reduce downtime and labor associated with filter maintenance. Cartridge filters, while generally easier to replace, require more frequent attention. This can be a deciding factor in operations where uptime is critical and labor resources are limited. Reusable wire mesh filters contribute to sustainability by reducing waste and minimizing the need for constant replacements. Cartridge filters, being disposable, generate more waste and can lead to higher long-term costs. For operations with environmental goals or tight budgets, this distinction can be significant. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, click on our Talk to Us button to get in contact with our many experts on woven wire mesh. And if you'd like to learn more about woven wire mesh or our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. We also have a YouTube channel. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all all things WS Tyler. Once again, my name is Andrew Kotlar, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.